Hello and welcome to Math 126, 8001, also known as OE1, Open Enrollment. I guess I could change that title there, but I wanted to just give you a quick review of what's here. You get a little introduction from me here. There's some links here, video, kind of an old video about me, talking about what I like to do. I'm at a beautiful lake there with my Jeep and my son. See if you can find my son in the video. Here's the Canvas tour, course objectives from the Lumen course objectives. In the syllabus, I have the W&C course objectives, and then some stuff about Lumen learning and information, and then the syllabus review that was done a little while ago. So you have some resources here, some important things, the modules where a lot of the content is located. So I have these are videos that I've worked that people ask for problems, so I make a video, share with them, share with the whole class. So I'm probably going to add some more to this because I think I have some from the spring that did not make it into these folders. But I'll be looking for that. You got a syllabus quiz there. By the way, you can access your assignments from the modules, also from assignments, also from syllabus links. So you have multiple places. You have the textbook and stuff about graphing calculators, algebra essentials. So this is what I wanted to show you that might be different if you've seen one of my classes before. So this, I've been spending some time this summer developing lessons for each of these, and I'm only like 5 in right now, but I'll be getting more as we go along. Like this week I'll be finishing chapter 1 and then getting into chapter 2. So we have lesson 1.1. If you go onto that, this is stuff I've made. So there's the publisher stuff. This is stuff that I'm making for my in-person classes. And another online class I want to share with you as well. So I have lesson notes here, the blank ones, the filled out ones from working them out. Then here are the videos. So I've broken this down into multiple videos. So instead of having like one 45-minute video, I've got some shorter videos. I know that some people might want 30-second videos, but it's hard to get the content in, and I don't want to have to make 50 videos to get them down that short. So, and then like part 1 of this problem, part 2, whatever. So we're already at 2.5 minutes into this video, so hopefully the attention span can hang on. So that's what I want to try to show you, is that there are these videos, they're smaller chunks, they're available to you as well. And if you still have questions after these videos and the publisher videos are located right like here. If you go into the textbook, and it gives you the objectives and all this, so some stuff to actually read, which people don't like to do, and then some examples, and I've borrowed some of these examples, but then here's a video about determining if a relation is a function, and then there will be other videos embedded in here as well, another video there. So that's what I'm trying to get across, is how to approach this class and how to do it. The other thing I wanted to point out is assignments, the due dates. I'm going to just go to syllabus here. So the syllabus, I have the syllabus updated there. Then down here, you'll see due dates. Now these don't necessarily correspond to the syllabus due dates, and I just need to be clear again. I've said it, and I feel like I need to say it like several times because people don't always hear it, or they don't go to all the locations. There are, this is open enrollment, so the due date for everything is the last day of class. However, I have assigned due dates just to get people moving to see what keeps them on pace. Now the syllabus has a little more detailed on due dates. Here I put a mass set of them on the 9th of September, then the 16th, and so on, where they don't quite match up with the syllabus, but I was just borrowing from what I plan to keep a pace in my in-person class, and I just made that as the suggested pace that you might want to keep if you're going to make this a full semester where you're working on material. If you wanted to do it all in 5 weeks, you could do it in 5 weeks. If you want to spread it out, you could spread it out. But just know your style as a student, and ultimately you have that responsibility. I mean, I heard someone say it once. I thought it was a brilliant thought. Is this class gives the students the ultimate freedom and responsibility. So you can wait till the end to get things done, but you gotta get them done. You can't just put it off and not get overwhelmed. So be responsible. Think about how you want to do it. Plan your semester out. Let me know what your plan is. If you plan to do it over a full semester, if you want to do it over half a semester or whatever your plan is going to be. So look forward to working with you and meeting you. So let's go forward and have a great semester. See you online.